Hey guys, and welcome back to the Laws of Physio YouTube page. This is day 28 of the Practice What I Preach series, and today is the first time I've gone heavy for squats in a long time. So the squats on the screen, I pretty much did 120 for sets of 2 to 3 reps, and I was just working back to some sort of conditioning. So really excited to get back into this workout. I was feeling really good. I'm very glad that I took the first 2 to 3 weeks just to ease back into the gym. I do know a lot of people who just went balls to walls the first day and they just haven't recovered yet. So I'm feeling good. My back's feeling good. I don't have any massive pains or anything, and my nervous system, so like the way I really feel is just pumped to get under this weight. So as you see, I'm doing relatively heavier weight, nothing too crazy. So 120 kilos. I don't know how much that is in pounds, but 200 something pounds. But the main thing is I'm working at an RP of 8 or 9, which means that I can easily pump out 4 to 5 reps of 120, but I'm just keeping my technique good, just focusing on priming my body, just because I know I'm going to continue to push for the next 3 to 4 weeks. So I'm just priming my body, getting used to handling this load, getting my breath back, getting my cardio, my conditioning, and just warming my joints and my body up for what's going to come in the next coming weeks. So after this, I was relatively fried, and at the same time, I'm pretty happy with my leg development. So I don't want to pump too much volume into my legs at this point in time. So I just finished off with some Stairmaster just to kind of flush some of the crap out of my legs so I don't get as sore, and just to get a bit of cardio in because I am very fluffy and my belt is very, very tight, even though I had to loosen it up a notch. So this is definitely the heaviest I've ever been, and I'm not happy about that, but I'm working on it, and that's the main thing. And that's the main thing about this whole series and my whole job. It's just working to improve yourself physically, mentally, all that kind of good stuff. So if you enjoy this kind of video, please consider leaving a like. If you want to see the journey of me going back to lifting reasonable weight and dropping body fat and being the best and sexiest self, then please consider subscribing. I hope you're having a good day or night wherever you are. And until next time, remember to keep squatting and slowly add on weight and become the sexiest person you can be as well. So take care, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.